3, 2, 1.
An electron in an atom is completely described by 4 of what? The answer is B, quantum numbers. What state was the setting of the film The Blair Witch Project? The answer is A, Maryland. Angiosperms produce their gametes in separate organs, which are usually housed in these. The answer is D, flowers. Which social media platform was initially called the Facebook? The answer is A, Twitter. What animal part is used for the preparation of the traditional South African dish called malamagadu? The answer is C, tripe. What term refers to the study of fermentation? The answer is D, zymurgy. What is the wife of Thor, the Norse god of thunder? The answer is C, Frigga. What is the name of the first exoplanet discovered orbiting a main sequence star? The answer is A, 51 Pegasi b. What vegetable is the main ingredient in French ratatouille, a stew from Nice? The answer is A, eggplant. Can you pick the words that sets off a deranged derelict to beat up Lou Costello every time he hears them mentioned in the movie Lost in a Harem? The answer is C, Niagara Falls. What does the sentence "Anne was the apple of Mark's eye" tell us about the relation between those two? The answer is C, Mark is deeply in love with Anne. What was the relationship between Thomas Andrews, Titanic's chief designer, and Lord Purry, chairman of Harland and Wolff, the shipyard that built Titanic? The answer is D, nephew/uncle. Which show has the most Emmy Awards overall? The answer is C, Frasier. The electrochemical potential across a membrane determines the tendency of an ion to do what? The answer is B, cross the membrane. What is the study of how individuals learn? The answer is C, psychology. Which telescope was first used to view the moon's surface? The answer is C, Galileo telescope. Which animal can climb trees using its tail?
The answer is C, kangaroo.
In the TV series Dear John, who portrayed Kirk Morris, the sleazy, would-be playboy? The answer is B, Gere Burns. In the M*A*S*H episode Dreams, Carl Sherman Potter dreams he is a young lad riding a horse. Suddenly, a grenade is thrown at him from out of the bushes. The
What
answer
does he do
is
with
A,
the grenade?
hits it with a polo mallet. What is the value of E approximately? The answer is A, 2.718. What animal's skin is used for leather? The answer is A, crocodile. Ayurveda, chiropractic, traditional Chinese medicine, and homeopathy are all forms of alternative medicine that adopt which of the following principles? The answer is C, holism. Which star has the highest surface temperature in our universe? The answer is A, Rigel. Which kitchen tool has a zester feature? The answer is C, grater. Which language has the most number of native speakers? The answer is A, Mandarin Chinese. When an atom has a neutral charge, which particles within the atom have equal numbers? The answer is B, protons and electrons. What is the name of the striped shirt worn by Steve McQueen in the Thomas Crown Affair? The answer is A, polo shirt. Which material is often used for modern furniture? The answer is C, plastic. A circuit that consists of two loops is called a what? The answer is B, parallel circuit. What type of organism is a bacteria? The answer is B, single-celled prokaryotic. What is the collective name for rhinoceroses? The answer is A, a crash. What is a female octopus called? The answer is A, hen. The Accord is a model of car made by which manufacturer? The answer is B, Honda. What was the first mass-produced furniture item made of plastic? The answer is B, table. What crime, investigated by the International Criminal Court, is a hybrid word derived from the Greek for tribe and the Latin for kill? The answer is D, genocide. What is the name of the branch of mathematics that includes the distance formula? The answer is C, calculus. Invertebrates make up what percentage of all animal species? The answer is B, 95%. How often does condensation occur in your cells? The answer is D, constantly. Which organisms break down either organic or inorganic molecules to supply energy for the cell? The answer is C, chemotrophic organisms. What is the name of the Japanese food made from the gonads of sea urchins? The answer is B. Uni. What do scientists call dinosaur bones found deep in the ground? The answer is B. Fossils. From 1971 to 1979, 60 Minutes featured a debate segment called What? The answer is B. Point/counterpoint. A short plant with a thick, fleshy stem, extensive roots, and a short blooming period would most likely be found in which of the following environments? The answer is B. Desert. What mountain is located in Japan and is one of the 3 holy mountains of Japan? The answer is A. Fuji. Which of these dishes is most associated with England? The answer is C. Roast beef dinner. Which of these is not a common IC package type? The answer is A. Dill. Kate sees a full moon. About how much time will go by before the next full moon? The answer is C. 1 month. In what year did William Kolb invent the first red candy apple? The answer is C. 1908. What city is the capital of the United Arab Emirates? The answer is D. Abu Dhabi. Which author wrote Moby Dick?